Everybody, right, I want to remind you, or maybe teach some of you who've never done it before, how to do a pat whole. Okay, when I was a little girl at school, we didn't do pat whole, so it may be a whole new thing for the grown-ups. So this is our pat whole diagram. Mine's roughly drawn just to prove it doesn't have to be a beautiful printout to work. So this at the top is the whole, and then we've got two parts. So we need to put a number in the top, so I'm going to use number 10. I'm going to write number 10 in the top, and I need to find out what two parts can make 10. Now, you're only allowed to put one number in each of these. Okay, so I've done it with coloured bricks because I thought it might show you exactly what to do. So this is one of my parts, and this is one of my parts. If I count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I've got the whole if I put them together. If I could stick them on my board, I could put 6 there and 4 there because it makes 10. And I've done it another way around as well. So let's see what my parts to make the whole this time. How many blue ones do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I would have to write, let me see if I can get my lid off my pen. I can write 3 there because I've got my blue ones. And how many red ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 part of 3, 1 part of 7 equals 10. And it's exactly the same as 3 add 7 equals 10 grown up. So it is a lot easier than it sounds. Now, you might not all have bricks, but you might have pens or cars. I just use the bricks to show you that you could use it, the different colours to show the different parts. So I'm going to do it with my trusty felt tips right now. So what number shall I do up here? I think I'm going to do number 8. So there's my number 8, and I want to find, I think I'm going to find 2 ways of finding 8. So I need 8 pens to start with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to split them into 2 groups. Right, so how many do I have in that part? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many do I have in that part? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I now know that part 4 and part 4 make 8. Right, shall I do another one? We've still got my 8 pens. Let me see. Where is it? There it is. Okay. So, I'm going to show you one way. Right, so in this hand, I've got 1 part. How many pens do I have? 0. And how many pens do I have in this hand? Can you remember? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 0 and 8 equals 8. Now this week, it would be fantastic if you could write the number 11 in the top or on your piece of paper and find me some different ways to make 11. But don't forget, you're only allowed to use 1 number in there and 1 number in the other. So 2 parts that make the whole. Okay, have fun. Bye.